Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the Windows 11 Home Edition to the Windows 11 Pro without reinstallation in your Windows. Alright, so now let's get started. Go to the settings and you can see here now currently I'm using the Windows 11 Home Edition. When you click on the About section, you can see here the Windows specification is Edition Windows 11 Home and the version is 23H2. Alright, so now without reinstallation in your Windows, you can easily upgrade with a few commands. Okay, so in this case, now what I'm going to do is open the start menu and type ZMD, then right click, run as administrator, and here we need to enter a few commands. Now I'm gonna copy this. Alright, so this commands I will put on my a YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check and use this command to upgrade your Windows 11 Home Edition. Alright, then I'm gonna go to the enter the command change service config success. Alright, and I'm gonna go to the second command also, so we can enter here, then enter. Third command, I'm gonna go with the product key and copy, then hit enter. Now the Windows preparing for upgrade started. So the Windows 11 Home and the Windows 11 Pro, in between the differences, the designed for general users for the Windows 11 Home to students and home users. The features include all the basic features of Windows 11, such as the new user interface, Copilot, and AI snap layout widgets, and improved security, and generally more affordable. And the Windows 11 Pro aimed at the business enterprises and more power users who need advanced features. Additionally, features include all features of Windows 11 Home plus advanced features like BitLocker, group policy management, remote desktop, even Hyper-V for visualization and more. Also the price higher cost due to the additional features. In essence, if you have regular user who need basic functionally, Windows 11 Home should suffice, but if you need advanced feature for business or enterprises use, Windows 11 Pro is the way to go. The installation almost done. So once the Windows upgrade is done, so open the settings and go to the Windows update, and we need to download the important updates. Okay, the more features you can get after the updations and more security updates also, and these are the way you can without reinstall update your Windows Home Edition to the Windows 11 Professional Editions. So this is the way you can try to update your Windows. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do comments in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.